Alright, y'all, what's going on? Back at it again with another horror game. Today we're gonna be playing Chicken Killer, another 616 horror game. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Chicken Killer. Play game. Okay. Got a little Buddhist man, I do believe. Monk? I think it's a monk. China, 1997. There's an ancient prophecy that people fear a lot, written by a Chinese monk on top of a mountain. It was a monk. I was right. The prophecy says that when the sky is red, it is forbidden to kill a chicken, otherwise a curse will fall on the person. Where is this? Where is this coming from? A being will come from hell to hunt and kill all those who eat chicken, unleashing evil on our world. What? We live thousands of years in peace, but someone was about to bring hell to earth. Where does it say? What? We can't. What? We cannot eat chicken. Alright. Nice little setup. Little premise of our game here. Who is this fella? All I know is that chicken was massively loud in my eardrums. Back at it again with the fire intros. They're too good with it. The music, the angles, the camera angles, man. Oh, this is not good. Looks like we're looking at a chicken. We're working at a chicken shop. And this monk's telling us not to consume chicken. But we about to sell it like nobody's business. One, apply, back, return. Uh-oh. Ramen 1, noodle, chicken, egg. Ramen 2, noodle, chicken, sausage, salad. Ramen 3, noodle, crawfish, chicken, egg. Ramen 4, noodle, chicken, egg, sausage, salad. Alright. Ramen. Nice. We got a phone out here. Good to know. In case we need to dial a little 911 action. What we got back here? Ramen. Bunch of ramen. We got trash. An axe. I guess we cooking up our own chickens. Oh, we got a customer. Da Zhang. Ramen 1, please. Noodle, chicken, egg. Do we need like a bowl or something? Box? Oh, okay. Noodle, chicken, and egg. You don't look very happy, my friend. No, we're actually good. We're good, bro. Is this us? Oh no. Personal problems, friend. Life is hard. Are we having a tough go? Don't be discouraged. Your ramen is delicious. You have great potential. As a chicken. We have what? What is that? We have potential as a chicken? What do you mean by that, Da Zhang? Thank you. Have a good night. Why are we just... Thank you. Was that a compliment? I'm mad confused. Good night. Take care. Here's the money. Should we be offended by that? Are we slurping that ramen? Oh my gosh. Alright, bro. I guess we'd make a good chicken. That's cool, I guess. I'll take that as a compliment. Yo, this gotta be burnt, bro. We just leave this on all day. All right, what's cooking? Oh, customer. Oh, he looks happy. Leon Lu. Ramen 2, please. Coming right up. Number 2, noodle, chicken, sausage, and salad. There you are, good sir. Hard night, dude. I don't know, I just started for real. I'm very tired, working too hard. What do you mean working too hard? You made 2 ramens. Nah, we're the youth, man. They don't know. They don't know what it's like to work hard. This looks like a very good place to work. I'm a Minecraft streamer. But this doesn't make me money. That's why I have to work nights here. Alright. I like the ambition though. Streamer. I still prefer the delicious chicken you make. Good night, friend. Thank you. Appreciate that, sir. Yo, our customers love our ramen, bro. Slurping that down. I like the little ambiance we got going on. We got some candles. It's kind of nice. What do you think the next person orders ramen 3? That'd be my guess. Ramen 3. It's gotta be, right? Gotta be ramen 3. We just going down the list. So far, so good. Ramen 3 priest called it. Noodle. In the box. Get the noodle, always the noodle. Crawfish. Chicken, egg. Here you go, good sir. Hey, Captain. I'm starving. Good thing I got you a ramen right here. Hey man, don't worry. I took care of your ramen. What, we paid for it? Or yo, I can't. This guy looks so goofy, bro. Thank you, friend. You without a doubt make the best chicken in town. We got a good little reputation going for ourselves, you know? Everybody knows what it is. Enjoy your food. I hope you enjoy. We didn't have to say it twice like that. Thanks, man. See you later. Yup. See you later. Nah, enjoy your night though. We didn't give out no utensils, nothing. They just get straight to it. Nobody's even asked for like chopsticks, fork, nothing. They just get straight to it. So far, so good. We got the chickens chilling. No new customers. It's a chill little gig we got going on, you know? It's kind of nice. Oh, my fault, Vic. Hello, my friend. How are you? Hey, Vic. What do you need? Oh, so we know Vic, huh? I want a delicious ramen with that extra bit of chicken. I don't know if I would do that if I were you, Vic. We're low on chicken. I'll need to kill one more chicken. Can you wait a bit? Because the sky, what? Because the sky is red? What does that have to do with chicken? Yo, why he toot on his way on in here, man? What's that about now? He didn't have to roll up like that, bro. That's devious work. Monk, are you yourself? I'm a big fan. Bro got a little stage fright. You got a little shell shock there. Monk, are you yourself? Who else would it be? Vic? Who's this flying freak? What's going on? Don't disrespect Monk like that. I've come to inform you that tonight you will not be able to kill any chickens. The sky is red, and if you do this, something very bad will come after you. I'm sorry, Monk, but I need to do my job. I don't believe in these things. Alright, if a flying monk just appeared with the toot, bro, out of thin air, and is saying to do something, I'ma do it, bro. I'ma do it. Sorry, but he's a flying monk, bro. He's levitating in the air right now. What do you mean? You just gonna ignore this, brother? Come on. I warned you, Captain YG. You choose. By the way, you're not a good streamer. Now I'm leaving. Goodbye. Bro's not sub to the Minecraft channel. Alright. Alright now, Captain. I'm really hungry, man. Do you believe this nonsense? I'll kill a chicken and nothing will happen. The monk appeared to warn, but I would love to have a ramen with extra chicken. I love how we both like, yeah, we gonna make this chicken. Don't worry, Vic. I'm gonna get the chicken and put it in the pan. Thank you, friend. This will make me very happy. They're like, yeah, we saw this. We saw the monk, but I'm so sorry, bro. Don't look at me like that. Y'all, that can't be good, right? That can't be good. That can't be good. Thanks, friend. You saved my life with this delicious chicken. Oh, man. The monk warned us. I'm just doing my job, Vic. Enjoy your ramen. Weren't you afraid of what the monk said? Clearly not. No, man. This is a story to scare children. Yeah, we're grown, huh? We're grown. Come on, Vic. I need to go now. See you later. I can't believe we just ignored the monk, man. You want any utensils? No, you're already finished. We should not have ignored the monk. That's a bad decision. When a floating monk appears on you like that. Oh, now it's raining. You listen to that monk. Now we got the rain coming down. It started to rain. Now there are no more customers. The prophecy. Real? What do we do? Do we hide? What do we do? What do we do? Hide. I don't need to hide. Okay. I guess we don't need to hide. Who the heck is... Who the freak? What up, boss man? Let's go see if he's hungry. Oh no, he took our axe. That's what I was about to do. Alright, we confront this guy. See if he wants some ramen. You ain't ramen? Chicken killer. You shouldn't have killed that chicken. Do we go hide? We're going to hide. Hide. We good? We good? Nah, we good? Oh no, we're not good. We're not good. We're so not good. Nah, we're... He did a double take. No way he triple takes, right? No way he triple takes this. No way. No way he spins the block. And now, I need to call Vic. He'll know what to do. There's a phone across the way. Let's go call Vic. Not the monk again, bro. Hello again, Captain YG. I warned you. Monk, please help me. It's too late. I tried to help you. I told you not to kill that chicken. Please, the lunatic is going to kill me. Haha, I really like floating around to talk. Nah, we fight for our lives, and this monk think it's a game. Alright, cool, bro. He's actually the worst. Does not work. Do you like to eat chicken? So today, I'm going to eat you. Turn around, bro! Bro, we should have listened to the monk. I can't believe it. Choice. Summon the monk. Use the power of the chicken. Face the chicken killer. Escape in third person. I'm trying to face the chicken killer. Do we get to fight him? Let's fight. I'll throw hands with the chicken killer. Let's get it. Where you at, bro? Wet. 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 Dang. Let's try that again, y'all. That was bad. I thought I had to press E to fight him. I'm fighting him again. I thought you had to press E to fight him. Dang it. Now we know. We click. We click. So today I'm gonna eat you. Dang. Should have listened to the monk, man. I'm facing the chicken. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Too easy. We really do this. Come on now. Wait, is this us? Who are we right now? Are we the monk? Alright, y'all, let's try to get the other edits real quick. It had what? It had four different endings? Oh, is it gonna start over? Dang, I guess not. Well, we fought the chicken. We came out victorious. We came out victorious. Alright, y'all. That was Killer Chicken, another 616 horror game. Let me know how you guys enjoyed that one. Please leave a like, a sub if you enjoyed. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.